So, what do you think?
It's a great house. It's huge. Aren't you going to answer the door?
What?
There's someone at the door.
Is there? No, there's no one there. Would you like a cuppa before you go?
Are you expecting anyone?
I'm not expecting anybody. Why?
Because the doorbell rang again.
So, milk, sugar, or would you prefer chamomile?
There's someone at the door.
There was no one there the first time, or the second. What makes you think there's somebody there now?
When the doorbell rings, it's because there is someone wanting to come in.
Now that's your theory. The reality is quite different. Look! See? There's no one there. Now, let's go and have that cup of tea.
Angelo, it doesn't make sense. When the doorbell rings, it's because someone is there.
If you want to go and answer it, I don't mind.
Okay, I will.
Whoa!
It's me, Clive Palmier. Oh, and these are my friends, Annie and Tim. They are Nobel Prize-winning professors of science.
Whoa!
Is there anything the matter?
We've been having a little disagreement, Mr. Palmier. Tim thinks that each time the doorbell rings, there is always someone there.
And they think that when the doorbell rings, there's never anyone there.
And I've been proved right. I answered the door the first time and there was nobody there. I answered it the second time and there was nobody there. And the third time the doorbell rang, there was still nobody there.
When I answered the door, there was someone there.
Who?
Them.
They're just the exceptions that prove the rule.
Clive, when I answered the door and saw you, was it you three that had rung the bell?
Oh, yes. Oh, that was us, wasn't it, Annie?
Yep, that was us.
You were at the door and you rang the bell hoping to be invited in?
That is indeed the case.
I suppose it must work sometimes. But the first time the doorbell rang, that wasn't you, was it?
No, that was not us.
Clive, how long have you been at the door?
Oh, about half an hour?
So did you see anyone ring the bell?
No, I'm certain of that.
Did you hear the bell the second time it was rung?
Yes.
Was that you?
No, that wasn't us either.
Did you see anyone ring the bell?
No.
I was right.
Not so fast. What were you doing at the door?
Nothing. We were just standing. I was thinking.
And the third time, that wasn't you either, was it?
Oh, yes, yes. Yes, that was us.
But when I opened the door, there was no one in sight.
We were hiding for a joke.
Surprise.
Oh, we still don't know whether or not there's someone there when the doorbell rings.
Getting a bit chilly out here.
Come in, come in. I've put the kettle on.